Welcome to this quick demo highlighting just a few of the features of the Fox Wireless ISP software. We start out by logging in with our username and password. When we first log in, we see the network map overview. Here we see 6 different sites on our network. The logical map shows a color code to let us know if there are any problems on our sites. All the data on your network is obtained automatically by the Fox ping box, a small device that you install on your network. Right now we can see that the network is mostly green, but we can see that one of the sites seems to have problems during daylight hours. Let's check it out. Here we can see all the devices that are installed at this site, as well as what IPs they have. From here, you can easily switch between sites by clicking on each end of the backhaul. If a site has an access point, it shows the status of all the connected clients. This one has 16 clients, and they are represented by all these small colored squares. In the sidebar, it also shows the average client quality over the past 24 hours. For every access point on the network, Fox automatically collects and tracks all of the associated clients, their signal strengths, MAC addresses, and IP addresses. It also pings every client every minute of the day and creates a map called the ping log. This tower doesn't look too bad, as most of the clients are bright green, but you can see a few clients here have short periods of issues. Let's find that site that we saw earlier that was having problems. Wow, this one's not looking great. Here you can see that on this AP, speeds are pretty bad almost all waking hours. The AP is in the 900 MHz band and is definitely experiencing a noise problem. Speaking of noise, Fox has a built-in frequency planner that helps coordinate channels between sites. The system logs into all APs and backhauls to get their frequency settings, and you can compare them like this. The different colors correspond to different frequency widths, and if there is a conflict, it would show up in red. Because Fox gathers data from all your APs, backhauls, and routers, it can also detect the IPs that are in use on your network automatically. This helps you plan out your subnets so that you don't end up with IP conflicts. Here you can see every client radio that is on this subnet. This data was all obtained automatically. If your network infrastructure goes offline, or even if it drops below an acceptable threshold, Fox will automatically page your on-call technicians based on the schedule that you set. This schedule is very customizable. It can be set to wait before paging late at night, or page repeatedly for important infrastructure. If you use Fox Managed Services, our own certified network technicians will be paged 24/7 to immediately fix your network issues remotely. Let's take a quick look at Fox phone system integration. Every call into or out of your phone center is recorded and automatically attached to the customer account. You can see here that a call just came in and left a voicemail. Let's listen to it.
Hi, I'm calling to sign up for your internet. I hear great things about ExampleNet Network.
Ah, this looks like a new sign-up. Let's put some notes in here so we know exactly what happened. Let's say that we're calling that client back and we want to see if they're in our coverage area. We've now created a new account for the sales lead. Once we start typing the address, it will automatically suggest some options. This one's the right one. On the right side, we can see the customer on a map. They can't seem to reach any of our towers though. Let's see why. Well, there's the problem. There's a big hill in the way. If we hover over the plot, you can see where it is on the map. Let's see how much height we need to clear it. It looks like we'd need about 130 feet to be safe and clear the buildings on that hill. Probably best to put the client on a wait list for now, although that hill might be a great spot for a future tower. But let's say we wanted to schedule a crew to do a signal check, just in case. Let's go to the schedule and see what our availability looks like. Here we can see all of the install vans out of this office. Looks like today is free, so let's add a new install. call is now attached to the schedule, and we can assign it to a crew. This schedule works on tablets and phones and automatically syncs with Outlook and Google Calendars using iCal. Let's take a look at an individual client account. For every client, SwiftFox stores the complete contact information including phone numbers, email addresses, and directions. Every connection a customer has is listed on their account. You can see their equipment type, the IP of their radio, and the bandwidth they have used for the attached package. If they go over their bandwidth usage, SwiftFox can automatically slow down their connection, notify them by email, or even disconnect them with a captive portal. SwiftFox can do a connection test in real time. Phone techs love this feature, as you can make sure that a client is actually rebooting their PoE when they say they are. Along with the real-time connection test, you can see the complete history of the customer's connections since they were installed. So let's say they were down for an hour 2 weeks ago. You can see this for yourself. All of this helps reduce unnecessary service calls and makes the customer service process much more efficient. SwiftFox has a very comprehensive billing system that supports both GAAP and IFRS standards, as well as flexible prepaid and postpaid billing. SwiftFox can automatically charge customer credit cards, prepare files for pre-authorized debit for your bank, as well as disconnect customers using a captive portal screen for non-payment. From here you can view and resend past statements, as well as add new payments to their account. All changes made to an account are saved in an audit log, so you don't have to spend much time figuring out who made a mistake. The complete history of service calls, phone calls, and tickets for this client are also saved on this account. If you'd like, you can even upload a photo of their installation or a PDF copy of a signed contract. This barely scratches the surface of all the things that SwiftFox can do for your ISP. If you'd like to schedule a one-on-one demo or get your network set up on SwiftFox, please visit us at swiftfox.net for more information. Thanks for watching.